honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I was tagged by MeMe42. She used to be called MeMe38. So she just had a birthday, so I guess she's 42 years old now. She's still a youngin'. Okay. Well, anyway, she tagged me, and she was tagged by Bayesian Treasures. And the name of the tag is, name 2 funny things that from childhood. 2 funny things that you remember doing as a child. Okay. I had to think long and hard because this old brain ain't like it used to be. So, the 2 things that stand out in my mind the most, they're not really funny, but these are childhood memories. One is my dad used to take me and my brother to New York City every year. And this particular time, we've been there about, from 8 to 10 times. This particular time, I had got real sick with asthma. I had asthma as a child, but I outgrew it. Y'all hear Walter stirring up some coffee or some tea or something in the background. So that's that little tingling noise you hear. Now you're getting louder. Well, anyway, okay, this particular time we were in New York and I had got asthma. I had an asthma attack. And I didn't have my little inhaler with me because I didn't get asthma a lot. But when I did, it was kind of bad and I needed the inhaler. So I didn't have it. So me and my dad were walking. I guess we were going to the drugstore somewhere in New York, and it was at night. And he asked me what I usually do if I don't have the inhaler. I told him, I usually eat Hershey's Kisses. Walter laughing at me. And he he was tall. He was about 6'2", and I was a little girl. He was holding my hand. We walking down the street, and he kind of paused and looked at me. And I didn't know what that look was all about, at the time. But now I understand it since I'm grown. He looked at me. So we went on to the drugstore, and we got some Hershey's Kisses. Okay, of course, it didn't cure my asthma, but it made me feel better. Okay, Walter, I'm crazy. Okay, another time was when I was a baby. I was being potty trained. And my mother, she would fix dinner. Now, this is stories I've heard because I didn't know. My mother fixed dinner and fixed my dad's plate and I guess fixed me a little bowl or something. And this is nasty. He would actually set my potty chair on the dinner table in the kitchen. And I'd be sitting right in front of him and he's sitting there with his plate eating. And back then they had trays across the potty chairs. So whatever I was eating, I was sitting there eating too. So he was talking to me, so we were entertaining each other. And my mother, she grabbed her plate. And I can't tell you what she said, but she went to the other room. So these are the things that stand out most in my mind from when I was a child. Well, anyway, I want to thank Mimi for tagging me. I enjoyed walking down memory lane, just trying to rack this brain, almost 70-year-old brain. And I want to tag Pam is doing it again. I know she got some tells, she can tell. I want to tag Huncho VB. I want to tag Mack. And also Cooking with Doug. Okay? And I would really appreciate it if you would accept the challenge and do this tag. So, and whoever else want to do it and let me know so I can watch it. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, listening to these crazy stories. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.